Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah. Yeah, of course she's gonna start because I'm filming. Lola, seriously? Hopefully. So I'm excited every time I start talking. Every time. Lola. So I have January 2018 first Ipsy unboxing. So excited to start the new year off with Ipsy. I don't know about you guys, I've gotten dry shampoos numerous times since I've been subscribed to Ipsy, but they have this new thing where they email you if you get a dry shampoo in your bag, and a little notice saying, you know, don't leave it outside or to heat or to excessive sun exposure. But it comes with this little sticker now. It says keep away from direct sunlight. So interesting. Just the last 2 months. What's jam-packed? So it's this cute kind of like a mesh bag with these really beautiful like hot pink and yellow colors, and I'm loving these neon vibes. Okay, so let's open it up and see what this month is all about. So it always comes with a little card, and this one says game face, and it kind of gives something to fill in. It says I will conquer blank, so something for you to fill in. So I think this month's theme is about 2018 motivation. Again, it is kind of inspired by this activewear line by Candace, so it's kind of meant to kind of look kind of like workout gym-ish kind of stuff, and I can definitely see throwing this into my gym bag with some of my essentials that I take with me. So pretty cool. So again, if you're unfamiliar with Ipsy, it's a 10-month subscription service that gives you 5 samples or deluxe size samples a month, kind of curated to a profile that you fill out online. So let's get started. So the first thing I see is the Mary Luminizer by The Balm, and so this is a highlighter that people love. The Balm always comes in these kind of little tiny pans. Let's go ahead and swatch that. It's really pretty. This is a cult favorite from so many YouTubers. They love it, so I'm excited to really try that out. I actually don't have any highlighter on right now, and I just filmed a video on this look, so I have all my brushes right in front of me. Let's just go ahead and try that. Yeah, that's some highlighter. So that is really pretty, you guys. I like that. I am supposed to go on a trip, a little work trip, and I can definitely see taking this because it's nice and compact, and girl, if you want your highlight popping, this is for you. So that is awesome. I really like that. This is a very well-known brand, and again, the Mary Luminizer is something that people really love. Okay, next up is the Artiste eyeshadow, I think. And the color, it looks like Passe. It almost looks like a more on the purple mauve side. No, they really have some nice packaging on this eyeshadow. A lot of times I feel like it's like a single one that you can put into like a Z palette, but this actually looks really nicely packaged. And it comes in its like own little package, which is really nice, and it's really pretty. And it actually even comes, this is actually such a cute little sample. It comes with a sponge tip applicator. They give this like mauvey shimmery color. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch that right there. It's really pretty. It would look really pretty on the eye. It has almost this like pinkish rose gold tone, more on the pinky side, like a pinky mauve. It's really pretty and really not anything like I have. Next up, this box came a little funky, and it's the Trust Fund Beauty Lipgasm Exfoliant. So it's a lip scrub. Ooh. And everything's really sealed really well. The box came kind of like open, but it's totally sealed. I'm taking off all of that. And it's a good size, as you can see. It is 8 milliliters or 0.27 fluid ounces. And I actually use a lip scrub all the time. Ooh, this one's really gritty, like really gritty. So I'm putting on here, it's super gritty, but oh so moisturizing. Oh, that's the kind of lip scrub I like. I'm currently using this Sarah Half one. I keep it in my shower to, oh gosh, and that smells so good, to exfoliate my lips, but this will be really nice to have because I don't know what the scent is. It almost smells like peaches. It's strawberry. It smells so good. Like it's like a strawberry vanilla. Oh, that is, oh my gosh, I love that. I'm dying over that. Okay, we still have 2 more items. This Ipsy bag is off to a good start. So next up, I have the Farah Be Beautiful You tweezers. They come, again, everything is like super duper packaged. Oh, they're tweezers and they're dual-sided. So you have this side that's like this fine tip for getting those like really thin short hairs, and then your regular slanted. So how cool is that? You can, you know, it's like a 2-in-1. I love it. So again, they're very heavy, so they're like a good weight, and it looks like I'm use it on my arm hair, like it'll pick up. It's kind of, I'm getting my eyebrows waxed. Oh gosh, those are really good. Those are really good. Ooh, these are gonna be my new staple. I love the tweezer ones, but these are really nice, and they picked up here and pulled them out really precisely. So awesome. Okay, and so my final product is something that I love. We all knew it would be a dry shampoo, but it's the Oribe Gold Less Dry Shampoo. I love Oribe. It is so good. My hairstylist just opened up a new salon and she uses Oribe. It smells so good, all of their stuff. It is so good. I'm just going to bed after this. I shouldn't even, like, I can't even, I'm not gonna wash my hair tonight. Oh, it gives it really good grit. It, like, I feel like it keeps it nice and shiny. Ooh, so good. I'm gonna have to buy this. I love it. So that's it, you guys. I think that that was a really good start to January 2018 for Ipsy. It's kind of one of those things I was actually thinking, one of my New Year's resolutions is to be a better budgeter. So if you're interested in that, look for that video to come in the next few weeks. And so it's kind of going over like what maybe some expenses that I can pull back on to save a little bit more this year. And I was thinking, well, maybe I'll get rid of Ipsy. I really like Sephora Play, and I just did the Allure, and I do BoxyCharm, which I really like. But like, then I get a bag like this and I'm like, Ipsy, you got me. I'm in for one more month. So that was a great start again. Like, I really like what I got. I can definitely see myself utilizing all of these. So yeah, I'm very, very excited. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, please give this a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.